Yo, Shorty Long.
And Jay Stu in the house?
Woo!
Come on, let go.
Let's do it.
Naturalistic observation, all we do is sit and stare. We're observing all the nation and they don't even know we're there. We ain't in the lab, so there's no responder bias, but we can change the results, so don't even try us. When we get more intense, this is what we do. We perform a case study where we test, analyze, and interview. Although it can't apply to the public and what it represents, it can study new phenomena and set precedents.
Hold up, wait a minute, put a little extra credit in it.
That's all. There's no knowledge of that bookstore. It's entirely new to me. But just use your intelligence. Let's have a comment with your intelligence.
But who would put that?
I don't know. But no. Oh, for heaven's sake.
Human beings, perhaps from all other animals. He's lost the highest form of memory, a form of memory that enables you to relate yourself to the past and project yourself into the future. So, in a sense, he feels like a man adrift.
That was a case study. Now bring the beat back.
Survey is rather tricky on the other hand because it gathers a lot of data that doesn't always represent the man. It can be quick and easy if you don't want to blow your dough, but sampling errors, responder bias can make your results whack, bro. Here is something that you gotta know. It's another method called ex post facto. That shit is Latin for after the fact. The I view is already changed to avoid ethical conflict. Methods. Yeah, you know what they is. Methods. Yeah, we know what they is. Correlation examines relationships and trends. Results don't always solve the whole equation, because correlation doesn't imply causation. The end. Manipulating high V, measuring the DV, but everything else has to stay the same. Trust me, in experiment, here's our intent, to show cause and effect relationships. But watch out experimenters, be ready to come to grips, cause confounding variables can sink your ships. To get rid of bias on both sides, you should make a double blind, because if you don't, you better watch your behind. Pick names out of a hat and keep it random, cause then the results will work in tandem. To compare your results, you need a control. Now everybody watch Jay Stu do the body roll.
Cross-sectional studies, different ages. Longitudinal studies, the same people at different stages. As we grow up, we'll measure your development, but in cross-sectional, we test out in your cognitive element. But your experiences change the effect, because the past of one person ain't the same as the next. And watch out for longitudinal, it costs a whole lot. It's time-consuming, so don't expect results on the spot. Word.
Peace. We out.
Am I supposed to be doing something right now?
Make me a sandwich, woman.
Wait, are you recording? Stop, because I'm laughing.
Now, you want to sit on your seat and my legs don't go. And then curl your head down.